Well, thanks, Kathleen from Mama Care Health Services. Great to be with you today.
Thanks for having me.
Great. We're going to have a little chat about self-care for new mums. Because Kathleen's the pro, right?
One of.
What is it that you do with self-care and new mums?
So we bring healthcare into the home for new mums after they've had a baby, so they don't have to go out to see a clinician. Bring in acupuncture, nutrition support, food hampers, supplements, get the community around you to help support you so that you can grow into the experience of motherhood.
Because self-care isn't what the new mum's got on her mind.
No. Often you've just had a baby and your whole attention is on that baby, which is how it should be. So you need support systems around you to look after you, the new mum who's just birthed a new human, to help you recover from that pregnancy and birth and get used to your new role as a mum and get through the fourth trimester.
Great. Because we've tried to include some self-care prompts for new mums in our new mama kits.
I know, and I love that, and that's why it's nice to look through it because you've got so many different kits with different things in them. But what I love about it is that it's lots of, like you said, self-care prompts, things that encourage new mums to look after themselves and maybe also act as a reminder to the people around them to, like for example, with the tea bags, to make a cup of tea for the mum as opposed to having to make it yourself or having to make it for other people. Like these things remind the mum and the people around her to care for her, I think.
Great.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. The other things that I like, I don't know, there's lots of different stuff you've got in different boxes, right? So
Yes.
obviously I'm not going to go through all the stuff. But like the sleeping mask, because lots of women don't get much sleep and they've just had a baby, and or you're trying to grab sleep like at random times of the day or night when there's other family members or children around, and so something that blocks out, if not sound, but certainly light, that is like nice and soft and helps you calm and rest. That's really cool.
Yes.
Little treats like yummy organic chocolate. That's so cool.
And as a naturopath, I didn't think you'd like the chocolate.
Oh my god, yes. Well, it's like delicious, good quality chocolate.
True.
And especially if you've just had a baby and you're breastfeeding, like you are burning up those calories. You need all of the delicious foods, a variety of foods, including, I think, chocolate that has its own, nutritional panel.
Yes.
Yeah, what else have you got in there? Pretty cool stuff.
We've got some affirmations,
Yes.
which I think self-care doesn't have to be what you ingest, or it doesn't have to be a product. It can be a bit of self-talk,
Yes.
positive talk.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that's good. And a lot of women I know have affirmations for their labour and for their birth. But like a lot of, the whole postpartum period kind of don't think about how to look after ourselves through that. And so the affirmations are a nice reminder again, that you have what you need, that you have the strength, that you're doing the right thing for yourself, you know what your baby needs. It's awesome.
Great.
Yeah. What else? One more thing. The little notebook. I think this is cool too.
Yeah.
I mean, there's lots of cool things in there.
Yeah.
But, like if you're having different thoughts, you're like, your mind's all over the place. Maybe somebody suggests something for you that you want to take or look up or do. You can just write it down. Journal feelings, because a lot comes up in that transition, new motherhood.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you might not want to verbalise it to your partner or support team.
Yeah.
Maybe writing it down.
Yes.
Passing
exactly.
that note over. Help.
Yeah. That's it. Just read this, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for chatting about self-care.
Pleasure.
New
It's
mum
great. My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thanks.